Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. And today I want to introduce a new credit card in this video, and it is Frontgate Credit Card. With Frontgate Credit Card, you can get many benefits. So firstly, I want to talk about this benefits. Firstly, you can get $50 if you are a new card member, and also you can get $25 reward certificate for every $250 spent, or also you can no interest if paid in full within 12 months on purchases of um, $799 made with the Frontgate credit card, and interests will be charged to your account from the purchase date if the promotional plain balance is not paid in full within the promotional period. Also, you can get a good birthday gift. It is 20% of any order. You can get 20% discount of your any order on your birthday. It's pretty good. And also you can get exclusive promotions, invitations to in-store events, update and new products, and more. Okay, let's talk about how to sign in the website and how to apply for Frontgate credit card. Firstly, I am on frontgate.com, and also you can see on the right type of the page there is an account button icon here, and you can click it, and as you see there is a small menu here. They are orders that you sign in or register, and also my account. So let's click the sign in and register button. Yes, if you are already a member the website, you need to fill your email and your password. But if you want to register, and you need to click the register button here. So, and I think it is really easy to register, so I want to try it to show you. And sorry for slow internet speed. Yes, so again, I think there is a problem on internet connection, so I need to refresh the page again. So I think it has a problem on register page. So I'm going to talk about register page on this. So you need to type your some information, for example your billing information, your address book, and you can type your name, surname, and also you need to type your email, and also you need to confirm your application on your email address. So thank you for watching my video. See you, bye.